Welcome to SandStorm tutorials. In this session, we will see how to create a goal-oriented scenario on the SandStorm controller. So to do so, go to File, click New, select the type of scenario as goal-oriented and click OK. Give a name to the scenario. Click OK. Now the scenario window shows up on the left hand side, the goal oriented scenario with some blank values, and again on the right hand side there are certain blank values. So let's start filling these one by one. So first we need to add a test case which we would want to execute. So go to menu, add scripts, select the test case name, click OK. If there are any support files, add them. In this case, since there are no files, we simply click OK. Now you can see the script has got added up. Now let's see how we can configure the goal. To do so, go to goal menu, configure goal. Here you need to mention a goal name. So add a goal name and the goal criteria. So goal can be response time based or resource utilization based. Let's select a response time based goal. Click OK. Test case is displayed here. From here, select the transaction on which you want to set the goal. Say we put it on login transaction. Now you can specify the target response time. So let's say if the login is exceeding 100 milliseconds, then scenario should be stopped. The criteria is already selected. Now here select the user limit. So we start with the minimum of 1 user and we go to 100 users. Here we can specify the runtime for the scenario even after the goal is achieved. So let's say we run it for 30 seconds after the goal is achieved, and in case the goal is not achieved, we select to stop the scenario. If there are any monitors, resource monitors which are configured for this scenario, then we can specify the interval at which we want to monitor the added resource. For adding the resources, please refer the advanced configuration settings on the controller tutorial. So after doing this, click OK. On the right hand side, you can see the goal has got added with all the description. Now let's mention the ramp up for these users. So to do that, go to configure and scenario. Here you can mention the ramp up as you do in a normal scenario. So ramp up of 1 user every 10 seconds and say 20 iterations. Think time is as recorded or as inserted in the script. Synchronizing the clocks. So this option would do that for us. Here mention the refresh interval for the real-time graphs and click OK. Select yes for all the users to have this configuration. Once done with this, simply save the scenario and load it. Okay, now our scenario is loaded. So let's run the scenario and you can see the scenario progress window showing up with various virtual users getting executed. As soon as the goal is reached in terms of violating the maximum allowed response time, the scenario would automatically stop, and then further we can analyze the results. So this is how we can configure the goal oriented scenario. For more details or in case of any queries, please feel free to write back to us, and we'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you.